Hi, hello, good wishes to everyone. Welcome back to our social class. See, we are going to discuss about that. Yeah, history lesson 3, chief, that is from chiefdoms to empire. That is the process of becoming leader to the king, right? So that is the lesson. See, we are going to focus on that eightfold path. That is Buddha's eightfold path. So what are the eightfold path? What is mean by fold path? Marakku path. That is shortcuts. Yes. So Buddha's teachings in let us fold path, right? So what are the eightfold path? See, right view, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right knowledge, right meditation. So these are all the eightfold path which should be followed in our life. Yes, let's see deeply about this one by one. So first one is right view. Yes, right view. View means what? Yes, so monitoring. Yes, we should, that is, we are monitoring others or other thing, right? So monitoring, viewing, right? So our view should be always in good way, there is good manner, right? So according to our view only we can able to judge that, right? So view means what? Understanding, right? View means it refers to understanding, right? Understanding on others, right? So always our understanding should be in a right manner, that is positive manner, then everything will be happen in a positive thing, right? See, if it is happening wrong, bad, that is badly it is happening means we should view it in a good thing, view it in a good manner, then it should be in a good view. Yes, we should monitor others or other thing, whatever happening, yes, by others, we should view it in a good manner means then everything will be in positive thing. Yes, then next one is right thought. See, thought means that is intention. Yes, what we are thinking in our mind, thinking. Yes, thoughts. Yes, so what are the thoughts we are thinking about others, right? So thought based on what? Intention, what we are thinking deeply in our mind. Yes, so according to the mind. Yes, so it involves what? Happiness, sadness, so everything, right? So thought, intention, right? So our intention always should be in a right manner. Yes, right thing. Yes, so what are the thought we are having? Yes, so bad thoughts, there is positive thoughts, negative thoughts. Yes, so there are two thoughts, right? So everything in a good manner, everything should be in positive mind. So if we view it in a right manner, yes, our thought will be in right means then everything will be in a good manner, right? Next one is right speech. Speech means what? That is words. It consists of, it contains many words, sentences, right? So speech, always your speech should be in a sweet words. Yes, the sentence, yes, or our words, your speech should be fulfilled with the good words, good sentences. Yes, see, your speech should be change others, yes, to get a good life, right? So according to that we should speak to others. So our speech should be in what? That is in which manner? That is, we should not lie, right? So while speaking we should speak the truth one, right? And we should be honest always, right? And we should be keep the justice. We should not get, that is, disappointed from others, right? And speech always refers to what? Yes, good words, good sentences, and your speech should be in a good manner. The way of speaking should be in good, right? Next one is right action. See, action refers what? Action, right? See, that is, we should not, that is, we should not behave in a bad manner. Yes, your activities should be in good manner, right? So the bad activities means like killing, yes, beating, right, and blaming others, yes, and harsh, that is rude manner, behaving in a rude manner, and bad activities, right? So these should be avoided, right? So right action always refers, it is right. Say, action means what? Say, right? So your action should be in a good thing, good manner. Yes. Then right livelihood, that is livelihood. What does mean by livelihood? Varvadar. Yes. So in your life you should follow that. Your life always contains what? It is discipline, then honest, justice, sadness, happiness. So everything. Yes. What are the things that is we are facing? Everything will involve in this livelihood. Yes, so we should lead a life in a good manner. Yes, so with these activities we should apply these activities in a good manner, and we should lead a life in a good manner, right? Then, right, effort. See, effort, always effort refers to what? Mindfulness, right? So, effort, concentration. This according to, is based on the concentration. So, we should put our concentration and mindset in a good manner, in a positive manner. Yes, our concentration always should be in a powerful manner, right? So, then only we can able to move the next one, yes, in a good way, right? Next, right, knowledge. See, knowledge always based on our skill. Yes, see, knowledge is used to, yes, improve our skill. Then concentration. Then the way of, that is way of improvement, imagination. Yes, so for all the thing, it is very useful. Yes, knowledge. We should gain our knowledge always in all the field of action. Right. So right knowledge is always used for what? For gaining all the other, that is field of every field of action. Next, right, meditation. Finally, right, meditation. See, meditation, you know that you should always do meditate. Actually this is one type of exercise. Yes, we should follow. This means we can, that is, lead a life in a peaceful manner. Yes, so it gives a peacefulness. Yes, and it reduces the tensions, irritations, upsetness. Yes, and bad thoughts. So meditation always used to lead a life in a peaceful manner. Yes, and it always provides the good things, good thoughts. Yes, so we should follow this right meditation. And steps for doing this meditation. See, what are the steps we should follow? This means, see, we should select a comfort place and peaceful place for that. And you should sit comfort in that place. And next, you should concentrate. You should observe what are the patterns nearby you. Yes, then what are the patterns you should observe? You should think it over while doing meditation. You should pay attention for this, especially for doing meditation. You should pay attention. You need concentration. It will improve the concentration power, right? And it will improve the knowledge power, that is general knowledge, and that is knowledging power, right? So always you should do the meditation, that is right meditation, proper meditation. Yes, it always helpful for your life. These are all the Buddha's teaching, especially Buddha's eightfold path teaching. Yes, and the Buddha's teachings of, that is teachings of Lord Buddha, were simple and taught in language. See, his teachings will be always easily and simple, but it will taught in language for communication. Yes, so we need some language to communicate with others. Yes, so his teachings will be in a proper way, but it will be in simple way, right? And it is very useful for everyone, right? And the teachings address, that is Buddha's teachings addressed to the people. He opposed to rituals and sacrifices. So always Buddha's teachings addressed to the people. Only his teachings alone addressing the people, right? And he, that is Buddha, opposed to rituals. What does mean by rituals? This suddenly, yes, festivals. So functions, festivals, yes. So he always opposing this, against. He used to talk against this. That is rituals and sacrifices. Sacrifices means what? Tyaga, right? So Buddha is always used to, that is, oppose these things, that is rituals and sacrifices. Yes, so he is always insisting to, yes, belief in religion alone, that is Buddhism, religion alone, right? And he always used to what? Follow what? That is meditation, right? Regarding Buddhism, religion, right? So that's all about this. So these are all the eightfold path of Buddha. Yes, the Lord Buddha. That's all about this. Thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.